As a home buyer, you're likely excited about buying a new home. But before you sign on the dotted line, it's important to ensure that the property is in good condition. That's why most home buyers hire a home inspector to check the property. If there are any problems with the home, the inspector will note them in their report. Once you have a report, it's time to start the negotiation process with the seller. We'll walk you through everything you need to know about negotiating repairs after the home inspection. Number 1. Review the report and identify any repairs that need to be made. First, review the report and identify any repairs that need to be made. Then, prioritize the repairs based on importance and severity. Decide which repairs you'll be willing to do yourself and which ones you'll negotiate with the seller. Number 2. Be prepared to negotiate. Before beginning negotiations, take some time to research comparable homes in the area and learn as much as you can about the repair items in question. Don't be afraid to ask for help or questions from your home inspector or real estate agent. They are professionals and they've been through this process many times. Number 3. Contact the seller with your repair requests and negotiate a price for the work. Once you've identified which issues you want the seller to take care of, it's time to start negotiating with them. Be sure to keep communication open and friendly throughout the process. Talk to the seller to ensure they will make the repairs in a way that is satisfactory to both parties. Number 4. Be fair and reasonable. The key is to find a balance between being assertive and being reasonable. The goal is to reach an agreement that is fair for both parties. With that in mind, avoid making demands that are unreasonable or impossible to meet. Remember, you're not going to get everything you want, but you can get what you need. Be prepared to compromise on some items, but don't hesitate to stand your ground on others. Number 5. Communicate openly and honestly. During negotiations, communicate your needs and expectations clearly and respectfully. Being open and honest will help create a more productive dialogue. Number 6. Make sure you get everything in writing. Once you've agreed upon the repairs, get them documented in the purchase agreement. This way, there's no confusion later on. Number 7. Make sure all the repairs the seller agreed to fix are completed before moving in. Take a walk through your new home with the seller and ensure all the agreed requests are fulfilled. Keep in mind that most sellers are willing to make repairs if it means they can close on the sale. If you can come up with a win-win solution, both parties will be happy.